welcome back to SNE Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with Uthando nesthembu, season 6, episode 4. And Ilana's Kulmangus name, Selego, guys, is she pregnant? Well, toward the end of episode 4, MAMKHULU MACELE asked Usne if she is pregnant or not. And Usne answered by saying, no, that's not true. Very guys, she wouldn't say yes, even if she was pregnant, until isisu sizivelela sona ngokwaso. Usne have children already, and on the previous episode she revealed ukuthi usene boyfriend entsha, not the one from the previous season. This is what people are saying ngendaba kaSne. If kuukuthi ukhulelwe ngampela, oqala uthe hayi ke uSne nokukhulelwa hayi ngabe udlala ngoMacele, then omunye wathi ngizomshaya ke mina nje uSne, ngizomshaya uSne, omunye wathi is SNE pregnant. So yeah guys, yeah, we are asking ourselves until we see or we hear ukuthi kahle kahle is it true or not. We are hoping it's just rumors, guys. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.